Okay, look. Look, my American Girl dog could fit in this. It's so small. Wait, how much are these? That'd be funny to get.
Those are very cute. Look how
She's
tiny.
so cute. Look at them, they get a tiny bit bigger.
Those are adorable. How much are they?
Yeah. 30. That's 39 something. This is. I like this one.
Here.
Today's adventure is how to be a Texan. We're gonna walk, talk, drink, eat, spit, chew like a Texan. And first we're starting off at this Cavender's Boot Camp.
Cowboy hat.
Cowboy hat?
Yeah. Where is it?
What is that? Let's go see. What are they doing over there? Oh man, look. These are famous cowboy hats. Stetson is a famous cowboy hat. Let's see.
Why?
Can I have a cowboy hat?
What are you laughing at? Ma'am? Say howdy, partner. Say howdy, partner. Let's see what Miles. Oh, a little too big. We gotta get a kid size.
Good.
You do look good, Miles.
Wait here. No, it's this way.
Give me the hat. Give me that hat.
Oh, it actually looks good in it.
You do look really good. It's supposed to go up like that.
Give me that hat. See if it fits. This.
Oh wait, my turn.
Mom,
Everyone find a hat and we'll take a picture.
Mom, see
What's
what
that?
they're
What's
doing
that? Yeah, what's that?
They're steaming
They're steaming the hat.
What does
Look
that
at
mean?
that.
What does it mean?
I don't know. What does it
Mom,
do?
something's shaking in there.
You
Mom,
wanna go see? He said he could press the pedal.
Mom, can we buy these?
Maybe. Come look.
Here, Mom.
Can I see that hat real quick? Can I see that hat real quick, bud?
Press down.
Yeah, push on it too hard like that, it'll ruin it for somebody.
Oh, you gotta hold
There
it
we go.
carefully.
Keep going. Perfect.
I found a cute shirt. That's really cute.
Hmm?
I found a really cute shirt.
Look at this here.
Oh.
Look at these. Look at these.
Why is it that much?
These cowboy boots are very special. Like,
Dude, these are cute, Mom. Like,
mm-hmm.
if I wore it with like something black or white for like,
That would be
you
cute.
know?
I kind of like those.
Mom, lasso.
Oh, now that's your size. Scoot over.
What are you doing?
Why, where'd you get the feather?
It's my turn.
That's the dress.
They try on stuff in there.
Where'd you get the feather?
Mom, can I do this? Mom, can I do this?
No.
Okay. Can I get this hat?
Are y'all finding everything okay?
Can I get this hat?
We're looking around. We're looking. Oh, there you go, Haley.
What's this thing? Ah!
What you got? I can't see you. Okay, you gotta go that
This
way.
is a oracle.
You have to pretend. Okay,
Doesn't do anything.
where are you going?
We got doing some Christmas shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not from Texas, so we wanted to show them a Texas store.
Where are y'all from?
Utah.
Oh, what box is down here?
We're
Okay, look. Look, my American Girl dog could fit in this. It's so small. Wait, how much are these? That'd be funny to get.
Those are very cute. Look how
She's
tiny.
all so cute. Look at them, they get a tiny bit bigger.
Those are adorable. How much are they?
Yeah. 30, that's 39 something. This is, I like this one.
You're
How do you do that? How do you do that? And don't press the ears.
Put your boot on first.
Put that one there.
So now to take it off. Woohoo! That's cool. Oh, look at that hat. You want to buy this one? Is it a good guy hat or a bad guy hat? Oh. Let me see the whole boot. I can't see it. Can I take a picture of you? Oh, you got some boots over there? Alex, come over here and show me with your hat.
This thing's cool.
Mom,
You could try these.
The boots?
It kind of doesn't fit. Move.
Walk around and see how it feels. Maxie, can I take a picture? Isn't it cool? Look at these boots. I don't want the horsey, I want the boots.
Mom, here.
You look so awesome. Okay, Maxie, do the same thing you did again. Those pictures. Go. Show me your
He's
pose.
like in this.
Okay, I did it. Huh? Don't laugh at me.
You look so cool.
Woo, cowboy.
I don't want to.
Okay, go for that. I got it. You could be the sheriff, like Woody.
Dang, that is really cute. Oh, Mom, elf feet. Who has elf feet? It's like... Oh, Mom, look at these ones. It has like diamonds and crystals.
I think these are for like people who are professional cowgirls.
Like, yeah.
Like
Oh,
rodeo.
look at these ones. These are like diamonds. Some has diamonds or crystals in them.
That is fancy.
Like really cool. I like soft low ones.
Mom, it's kind of. These shoes kind of.
You're like not running.
Line them up.
I want
Line them up.
put on cowboy boots. It's like
One happy discovery is that Miles has discovered he really loves cowboy hats
Which is the
and cowboy boots.
I can't don't move that.
Mom,
I found a cute boot too.
when I make the sound with my boots, that means that it sounds like a cowboy. Yes.
Wait,
What is
Okay, let's hear it. Go.
Mom, this is a trap. Mom, look.
That does sound like a cowboy.
Cowboy too. Yes, they're trap wars.
wait, Mom, I found some. Come here.
This is that. Come on.
You haven't really worn these type of shoes, so you're not used to what they feel like. They're supposed to be pretty snug.
Nut?
Snug.
I was like, what's
Mom.
nut?
They're not sandals, they're flip-flops.
So if you're the principal, do you get to make up the days?
Snake.
Like opposite day?
Okay.
It's like high heels.
Do you like them?
That's kind of cool, Haley. Haley's got some style.
Do you like them enough to buy them because they're expensive, or
I don't
they're
like the
just okay?
hat, but I also want the
You've been wanting boots like that.
Yeah, I think they're cute. Is there a size
I'm
6?
sure of them.
I don't know. Is there a
Cool,
size
that's
6?
kind of
Yeah. Is there a size 6? Because I don't think I'm a 5. I think I'm a 6 probably.
Okay, Haley. How did it go in the cowboy store?
We got trampled by boots, Mom and me. It fell on us.
Yeah, the
Like
boots
avalanche.
fell on our head.
Yeah.
We came
I was
in.
like, whoo.
We came in just to play and have fun, but we were leaving, buying some stuff.
Everything in store.
We got 2 pairs of boots and a cowboy hat. No, 3 pairs of boots and a cowboy hat.
Mine isn't really cowgirl boots, so.
And
hoodies.
and we've discovered that Miles really likes to dress up like a cowboy. He's got an inner cowboy. Who knew? Here he is trying on his hat. Say howdy, partner.
Howdy.
I'm gonna call you Sheriff from now on.
He needs his badge. Howdy, dude.